Good morning everyone. I am Yog Chande from BSc third year and my registration number is 11917694. Today I am going to make a video on the skill serve. We will first start with short serve and then we'll go to long serve. So let's start. In beginning I will show you in by parts and then we'll go to the long serve. So in short serve our right leg will be forward. The most of our weight will be on the right leg and we have to hold the shuttle near our waist level or between our navel and our waist. So it will go 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in this short serve we have to hold our backhand grip. The thumb should be on this flat side like this. We have to place our thumb and then hold the racket like this. We have to hold our racket on our waist level or near our navel. Hold the shuttle, release the shuttle and hit the shuttle. The serve should go flat. This should be the height range. The shuttle should pass from this height only so that your opponent will not be able to smash on your serve. So once again we will do it in by parts. It will go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right now there is heavy wind, so the landing will not be proper, but you just try to perfect your form. Once you perfect your form, the height of the shuttle and everything will go properly. So we'll do it once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how our serve will look in continuation. एक और चीज ऐड कर सकते हैं. So we have to hold our shuttle like this, just lightly. Do not try to press the feather or bend the feather. Just hold it lightly, place it and hit the serve. Now we will go for long serve. In long serve we have to stand in the mid section of the court. You can stay near the line or in the center also. And we have to hold our racket like this in cup form, and in release we just have to remove our fingers. So the shuttle will fall straight like this. So what will be our leg position? In long serve, our left leg will be in lead, our lead leg will be left leg. We have to put slightly weight on our left leg and the right leg should be on your toes. Hold it near the navel or the waist level. Hold the racket like this. Hold the racket like this. Shuttle, release and hook. The shuttle will go long towards the back gallery of the court. So in by parts, it will go 1, 2, 3, 4 and complete. Done. In long serve, our grip will be the forehand grip or the V grip, which is also known as the V grip. Okay, so just do it in counting 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Remember to complete your follow through. If you do not complete your follow through and just stop it here, your serve might not go long enough and it will be easy for your opponent to hit it back. So just remember 1, 2, 3, 4. Complete your follow through. Now your serve in continuation without the counts would look like this. Now we'll look at the measurement of the badminton court. So the sideline of the badminton court is 44 feet long and this is the sideline, and the back line of the court is 20 feet long. This is the back line. This is called the back alley. It is 2.5 feet in breadth and 20 feet in length. This is the side alley. This is 1.5 feet in breadth and 44 feet in length. And one half of the court is 22 feet long from length and 20 feet long from the back. In singles, the side alleys are excluded, and in doubles, the side alleys are included. Only in doubles, the back alley is excluded only for the serve. You cannot serve in the back alley, and you can serve in the side alley. This is the short service line. It is 6.5 feet away from the net. The height of the net is 5 feet from the center and 5 feet 1 inches from the poles. ठीक है, pause कर उसको. 5 feet 1 inches from the pole. So this one box is 8.5 feet in width and 13 feet in length. Excluding the back gallery, it is 13 feet. So thank you very much for watching the whole video. I hope I helped you learn something new and improve your serve techniques. Thank you so much.